So we're just removing the bottoms, took out the screws. Okay, so, I gotta take these ones off. Again guys, not rocket science. If you passed kindergarten, you can take this apart. Believe me. Okay. It's very simple. You see how fast I'm doing it? I mean, you might not be able to see what I'm doing, but I'm taking off the top piece. Just like that, it's apart. Name a workout station you can take apart that quick. This way. So you just slide it down. And it was built specifically, so I should have moved the pieces, but guys, it's not that heavy either. You can pick up the whole thing if you want to move it. So what you do is you just get in here. Take off this top piece, you just put one foot on the back. You can see me, you just tap right there. 1, 2, same on the bottom, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's your first piece. Again, like I said guys, it looks like a lot, but trust me, it's not a lot. And you just, these pieces obviously just come out. So to get this piece out, yeah, so you just put it this way. Just like that. Take your bar, one foot on the back. You're just tapping it. That's it. Easy. Yeah. This is another tool you need. That's it though. So you guys can see I took it apart in about 6 minutes. I would say 6 minutes. And that was just me trying to go light. But if you wanted to go quicker, 3 minutes you can take this whole thing apart, you know. So as you can see, you know, you just pull out those and this is what it looks like, you know, it slides all onto here, right? Very light, considerably light for a workout station, right? Those pieces, this stuff. You want a 2x4 to take it apart. Only other tool other than that standing stool. Anything else? Soft. So that's it guys. I'll take some pictures of it all together so you can see the package. And it has been a pleasure talking to you guys. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys enjoyed the station. The bar abuse workout station. Took a while to engineer it, to put it together, to think about what I wanted in a workout station to achieve certain goals when it comes to working out, and incorporate it all into one for people that do calisthenics. And as you guys know, when the winter comes, you guys can't go outside, you know, like it's freezing, so you guys need something for indoors, holla at me, you know, I got you covered. Bar abuse workout station. Subscribe if you're new, if you like this type of stuff. Like the video, it helps a lot. And it's being your boy, Stevie Barz. We'll talk. Peace.
For all you sucker ass motherfuckers out there, or lose half of your life cause the bitch don't care. I gotta say it was pretty much deserved. You would never catch me, trust a hope or word.